Hey friends, if you wish to disable search suggestions from address bar in Mozilla Firefox, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The procedure. I'll tell you what happens whenever we open Firefox and start typing something. It will show recent searches or search suggestions and all. Now, if you are using a public computer or you are using a computer in front of your family, you might not want people to watch these suggestions, especially if there's something inappropriate here, like I am trying to access a dating site, so I wouldn't want others to know about it. So simply click on the hamburger symbol, all these three lines at the top right corner, and then select settings from the menu. Go to the search tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, there's something called as show search suggestions. Uncheck this and close Firefox and reopen it. This will disable search suggestions from the address bar and you will be safe. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.